How to add text and titles in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device and load the project where you want to add titles or text. Next, move the playhead to the clip or photo in your timeline where you want the text to appear. Then look for the text or titles option with the T icon in the editing tools at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and the text box will appear on your video. Type the text or title you want to add. You can customize the font style, size, color, alignment, animation, and even add shadows or outlines to make it more visually appealing. After adding the text, you can adjust its duration to control how long it stays on the screen and drag it to position it anywhere on the video frame. You can also add multiple text or titles in different parts of your video as needed. Now you know how to add text and titles in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.